Hi, my name is Catherine, and today I'm going to do my songwriting presentation. So the title of our song is Road Trip. So to start, when I was young, it came every morning. I used to see its yellow color even in my dreams. With every step, it faded away. What can we say? It was a great road trip. Now it feels just like I'm dancing. We can do what we want since we are free of our routines. With the wind in my hair on the freeway, what can we say? It's a great road trip. We took the we took the bus and felt tight all the way. We take the car and feel in control of everything. We'll take the plane and be free more than anything. Later, I'll open my wings. Finally, I'll feel free and like one of the queens. With nothing in my mind, I won't have to stay. What can we say? It will be a great road trip. Tired us is the evolution of life in the human mind. Like it grows without us even noticing. There's also the song The Hill from the play Once. We've listened to many songs of the play, but none of them really helped us to inspire us. But the song The Hill, we've noticed that there's not a lot of rhymes, and if they were rhymes, they weren't in order. And that's what we wanted to do with our song. So the rhymes we have aren't logical. For one, we used imagery and metaphor. As we can see in the first paragraph, we wanted to represent when we take the bus to go to school when we were young, and we represented it with the yellow color, the morning, and when we say it with every step it faded away, is that every step you took to enter in the bus, it was one step that wasn't gonna happen. And the second one, we wanted to represent the car. So right now we drive our car, we have our license and everything. The bridge was different types of road trip. So there we explain all the transport. And in the last one, we wanted to represent the plane. So when we'll have money to go on vacation and or to go to work somewhere else. Okay, so the message that we wanted to transmit was that our song is just like types of transport. Our lives have an evolution, and the more we grow, the more we'll feel free and responsible of our action and everything else. We think it's important also to know that life doesn't stop after preschool and high school, college, university, etc. There's always something afterwards, and maybe it's for the best. So to conclude, that was our song. Even though the inspiration wasn't always there, I think it ended pretty much great.